Okay, so in this video we're looking at finding the equation of a parabola. I've got a parabola here, and I know there are two forms that I can use for finding the equation of a parabola. I can find it using completing the square or using the factorised form. Now, if I'm finding the factorised form, I know I've got to find the roots of the equation. In this case, I look at my roots of the equation and they're not whole numbers. That means it's unlikely to be a factorised form. So if I'm finding the equation using completing the square form, I've got to use the vertex, and my vertex is at a point. Okay, so this is going to be a completing the square form. So I know I'm likely to have a scalar. I know I've got a horizontal shift, and I know I've got a vertical shift. Well, let's look at that. My horizontal shift is there. I have moved 3 spaces to the right. I know when I move 3 spaces to the right, in my bracket, it does the opposite. So it's x minus 3. I also know that my graph has gone down 3 spaces. So I can work out my c, because it's now 3 spaces lower. Still haven't done anything to work out my scalar though. So to do that, I've got to find my y-intercept, and my y-intercept is at 15. So my y-intercept is 0, 15. So let's put those values in. So I've got 15 for my y equals 0 for my x. I'm going to move the minus 3 over, and it becomes a plus 3. So I'm going to get 18 equals, right, 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Squared is 9. So I get A is 18 over 9, which is 2. So I've now managed to work out that my equation for this quadratic, or this parabola, is 2 lots of x minus 3 all squared minus 3.